Hello, thank you for joining us in a new video. This time we have a review of a premium projector that promises to deliver a virtually home theater experience. This is the Samsung The Premiere LSP7T. Let's get started. This projector is a device featuring ultra-short throw technology, 4K resolution, and a strong emphasis on picture and sound quality. Let's find out if it lives up to the expectations and if its price is justified, as it costs 47,999 pesos in Mexico at the time of recording this video, that is. The cost is around $2,340. Keep in mind, however, that prices here differ from those elsewhere. You have the option to purchase it in department stores, online platforms, and naturally at the Samsung store. I've included a shopping link in the description if you're interested. It's important to note that the name Premiere refers to the category of projectors Samsung uses, yet within this category. There are various models available, some more expensive and others more affordable, so make sure to check the model number carefully. Model. Now, let's dive into its design. The design of this projector is both minimalist and modern. You'll notice its dimensions are 532 by 133 by 342 millimeters with a weight that slightly exceeds 9 kilograms. Even though it's a sturdy device, it seamlessly fits into any space within your home or living room. This is largely due to its fabric cover, which adds a pleasant aesthetic touch. The key feature is its ultra-short throw technology, which I mentioned earlier. This technology allows you to place the projector merely 30 centimeters from the wall to project a 100-inch image, but it can range from 90 to 120 inches. I've used it to project larger, though it loses some brightness and contrast, and some areas may blur slightly. Yet it can project beyond the 120 inches with minor issues. For connectivity, it offers 3 HDMI ports, a USB port, plus Ethernet and digital optical audio output. It also supports various technologies like EARC and HDMI quick switch, allowing for seamless integration with a wide range of devices, sound systems, and even consoles. Additionally, it features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it an excellent choice for streaming content or connecting wireless devices without relying on cables. However, it lacks the latest versions, which means we might expect a bit more from it, as it won't provide the highest stability or the fastest download speeds for watch streaming content in ultra-high resolution. However, I believe that with the features it currently offers, it is sufficient. Yet, as I mentioned, considering the price, we could expect more. Now, let's transition to discussing image quality. This projector provides a 4K UHD resolution along with support for HDR10 Plus and HLG, which enhance both the dynamic range and the color significantly. Its laser light source boasts a lifespan of 20,000 hours. If you're curious about what this means in terms of everyday use, it translates to approximately 5 hours of use each day for over 10 years. Without the necessity for... The projector doesn't require replacing key components, which is a major advantage over traditional lamp projectors that usually last between 3,000 to 5,000 hours, a significant difference. This projector's maximum brightness is 2,200 lumens, adequate for spaces with some ambient light. You won't need to fully close the curtains or be in total darkness, although as with any projector, you'll achieve better results in a dark room. Regarding contrast, this device offers a native contrast of 1,000, and a dynamic contrast of 2,000,001. Let me explain these terms. Native contrast indicates the difference between the lightest and darkest tones the projector displays simultaneously. Dynamic contrast employs technologies like real-time brightness adjustment to provide deeper blacks and a broader tonal range. In other words, when you encounter a dark image, consider reducing the brightness slightly to improve the contrast. Now, the native contrast of this projector is, let's say, typical for its category. However, the dynamic contrast is exceptionally high, bringing it in line with other high-end projectors. As for the audio section, this projector features a 2-channel system with a total power output of 30 watts. It also includes an integrated buffer, which provides a more comprehensive sound, especially in the bass section. This is extremely positive because if you wish to play a movie, all you need to do is simply put the projector on, and there's no need to connect any additional speakers or anything of that sort. It also supports Dolby Digital Plus and Bose features such as adaptive sound, which smartly adjusts the audio according to the content you are watching. Additionally, there's a dialogue enhancer to make the voices sound much clearer. Even though the integrated sound is quite good, you always have the option to go for a sound bar, which provides an even more immersive and engaging experience, thanks to its EARC support. In fact, at the time of recording this video, Samsung is including a free soundbar, which significantly enhances its appeal. Now let's move on to discuss the operating system, which in this instance is Tizen. This feature also makes it a smart device. It is the same operating system that Samsung uses in its TV, so essentially you can access streaming apps directly, such as Netflix, Disney Plus, or YouTube, without needing additional devices. The response speed feels very snappy and unhindered, so you get all the benefits you'd find on a Samsung TV, but transferred to a projector. Regarding the controls to begin with, you'll notice the on-off button right on the projector itself. In fact, this button also provides basic navigation to switch between sources, perfect if you wanted to project something from the computer and happen to forget the remote control, which, believe me, I certainly would, has occurred. On the other hand, you will discover complete navigation using this remote control, which is quite similar in design to Samsung's TV controls. It is also compatible with voice assistants such as Alexa and Bixby. Additionally, you will find the SmartThings application accessible via your cell phone, allowing you to have all the controls directly on this compact device. It offers great versatility in controls, making it more appealing than a traditional projector. You can wirelessly project your screen, whether using a Galaxy, any Android, or an iPhone, thanks to technologies like AirPlay. You can also project wirelessly from Windows or Mac, providing all options for convenient projection. Of course, in several of these moments, you will need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network if you want to do these actions. In conclusion, this projector seems to me a really attractive option for those who want this cinema experience. Although a TV will always offer more resolution, but if you do not like having the TV on your wall as a black box, I think this kind of alternatives offer you a different option to maintain a cleaner aesthetic in your home without sacrificing the aesthetics of your home. These types of technologies like the 4K resolution and the sound that's already built in, even though the cost is quite high, which can indeed be a little hurdle. For now, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, you know you can let us know, and we'll catch you next time.